Today we learn how to make this kind of effect in After Effects by using Saber plugin. Here, here is the footages that take from free pick. This is simple footages that man dancing. Now we will apply effect on this footages. Let duplicate it. Control D. Hide this layer and double click on first layer. Now we will apply roto brush tool. Be like this. You can remove the extra area by pressing Alt and drag. Just select your objects. Here is a man that we need to masking. Now we will freeze the frames to apply roto brush tools. Just wait some seconds. Now click on composition, final composition. This is and final composition. You can check that we have removed the background, just showing here object. Now we will masking on it. In the layer menu, click on auto trace, follow settings and OK. Stop it and check. This is a extra masking. Now we will delete yellow masking, that extra masking. Delete it. This is also here is a also extra masking. You can clean the masking. Here is red is extra masking. You can also delete it. Now we have cleaned the masking. You can check by press spacebar. And now we will apply Saber effect. Saber effect on this footage. Saber is a free plugin. You can download it from Google. Make sure first layer is selected and apply it Saber effect and type to fire. Click on enable masking, alpha mode to enable masking, and customize color to layer mask. You can see that mask is apply on the Saber is apply on the masking. Expand the render settings and composite setting black to transparent. Instead of black, make sure transparent. You can see that we have applied the Saber effect on this object, on this man dancing. Mm, First of all, you will have to decrease in 0%. First of all, you will have to set it 0%. All four things: core size, globe wise, glow, spread, and glow instantly. Now we'll apply these keyframes, activate these keyframes in next some frames, and after some seconds, now we will increase these size, bias, glow, spread, and intensity. You can see in the composition that we have applied the fire effect on our dancing man that follow the masking and follow the objects. Press U to see keyframes, and you can adjust it, and some after 1 to 2 seconds you can increase the fire's effect. Now we will check. Press spacebar to view. Select all the keyframes and press F9, or right click on the keyframe assistant, and easy in. Now that's enough. Save and render in full quality.